12, 10, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, and
In a world of make-believe, nothing seems to be what it really is. But behind the scenes of magic, we will find out how magic is made by the little things in life. Join us on our journey into a world of radical, magical